Hello everyone, welcome to EduCloud. Today we will have an overview of a very basic module, that is library system. So how to navigate to library system? First, click on these three horizontal lines, then come to library module. This is the library dashboard. Here you can see three buttons: book issuer list, book list, and import library data. Now let's see first how to create a book. So we'll click on book list. Here you can see existing book list. So let's click on this plus add button. Now here we need to add the book name, add the book ISBN number, add the book library number, add the subject, author name, book publisher, number of copies, and number of copies left. Now by default it will take the book library name and append a number to it. We have selected 5 copies, that is why it has made 5 copies. Now select the type of book and click on save book information. Book is successfully added. Now here you can search by book name, subject, and publisher or type. So let's select type, click on show. Here you can see the book that we just created. Now let's see how to import book information. Click on this import library data button. Now here refer this table structure. You need to create an Excel file and use this table structure. So use these headers. Now in book type, that is this column, you need to use these values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The meaning for every value is given here. In the column number of copies, you need to enter integer format. In the column book register number, this last column, you need to enter the number with comma separation. Just create this file, browse and click on import. All the books will be created automatically. Now let's see how to issue a book to a student. Click on book issuer list. Here now click on this assign book button. Okay. Now here you can assign the book to a teacher or to a student. Now you can select student by the name or by their ID. So let's select student by the name. Okay. Now let's select the book. Now here you can enter the book name or you can enter the book library number. Now as a student will come to you with the book itself and you will have the book number. Therefore it is very easy to add the book library number. Okay. So here just enter the book number as it is. Here you can see the list is shown to you. Now you can, now this book is added automatically. If you want to add one more book, just click on this cart icon. The second will be added. Enter the book issue date, book return date. Click on this assign book to person button. A message will be shown to you and the book is successfully assigned to this student. Now here, if you want to return the book, that is the student comes to you and submits the book, you can just click on this button, submit book from Akshay. This particular book will be taken back and this entry is removed. If you want to extend the date, just click on this refresh button. In action column, reassign book to Akshay. You can change dates and you can have the modified dates. Click on reassign book to person. and the dates are modified. So this is all about basic library management system in EduCloud. Thank you for watching.